The FLYBIRD Weight Bench, adjustable strength training bench for full body workout, priced at $149, is a standout option for anyone looking to enhance their home fitness routine. With a stellar 4.5 out of 5-star rating from over 25,238 global reviews, this bench promises durability, versatility, and convenience. Designed by a company with 20 years of experience in fitness equipment, it's built to meet the needs of both beginners and seasoned lifters. But does it truly deliver? In this review, I'll explore its key features, performance, customer feedback, and overall value to help you decide if it's the right fit for your home gym. Build quality and durability, a sturdy foundation. The FLYBIRD Weight Bench is crafted from commercial thickness steel, a testament to its focus on quality and longevity. The company emphasizes that this isn't a one-month bench, and it shows. Every detail from the high-ductility steel to the high-strength bolts and precision welding is designed to strict standards. Having undergone thousands of weight tests, it boasts an impressive 800 pounds weight capacity, making it suitable for users of all sizes and strength levels. During workouts, the bench feels rock solid, offering stability that's crucial for heavy lifts like bench presses or dumbbell rows. The matte edge wrapping and meticulous construction further enhance its durability, ensuring it can withstand years of use without deforming. Adjustability and versatility. Customize your routine. One of the bench's strongest features is its adjustability. With 8 back positions and 3 seat positions, you can shift between inclines from 90 degrees to -30 degrees in seconds. This range opens up a world of exercise possibilities. Flat position, ideal for classic bench presses or flies. Incline settings, perfect for targeting upper chest and shoulders with incline presses or dumbbell work. Decline position, great for core exercises like decline sit-ups or leg raises. The self-resilient spring lock makes adjustments effortless. Just pull with one hand and you're set. This quick adaptability is a game changer, allowing seamless transitions between exercises. Whether you're a beginner perfecting your form or an advanced lifter mixing up your routine, this bench caters to all levels of fitness. Comfort and support. Train with confidence. Comfort is a priority, and the FLYBIRD bench delivers with its well-designed padded cushion. The padding strikes a balance between softness and firmness, providing support without feeling mushy. Covered in hard-wearing leather, it offers friction to prevent slipping during intense sessions, a small but critical detail. At 18.5 inches high, the bench provides excellent foot grip, which is essential for maintaining stability and proper form during lifts. This sturdy base reduces the risk of injury, letting you focus on your workout rather than worrying about the equipment. Ease of assembly and storage. Practical and space-saving. Setting up the bench is a breeze. It arrives with clear instructions and included tools, and most users report having it assembled in under 30 minutes, even those who aren't particularly handy. What really sets it apart, though, is its foldable design. After your workout, simply adjust the lock to fold it up, and it shrinks to a compact 8.6 by 13 inches when stored upright. This space-saving feature, reducing its footprint by 80%, is a lifesaver for small apartments or cluttered home gyms. It's also lightweight and portable, making it easy to move to a corner or under a bed when not in use. Customer feedback. The good and the not so good. With a 4.5-star average from over 25,000 reviews, the FLYBIRD bench has won over many users. Customers rave about its sturdiness, adjustability, and ease of assembly. The lightweight design and folding feature are frequently praised, with one user noting, "It's pretty light, so it's easy to fold up and carry around." Another said, "Assembly was quick and easy, reliable and unbeatable for the price." FLYBIRD's customer service also earns high marks. One buyer shared how the company sent a replacement bench and parts, plus a gift card, to resolve issues. However, there are some drawbacks. Taller users have mentioned that the 18.5-inch height feels limiting, and a few report slight wobbling after months of heavy use. One customer commented, "The bench seems to have become just a little wobbly for me," though they still recommended it given its price and performance under daily strain. These minor cons aside, the consensus is overwhelmingly positive. Value for money, a smart investment. At $149, the FLYBIRD Weight Bench offers exceptional bang for your buck. It rivals more expensive models with its high weight capacity, versatile adjustments, and durable build. The added perks like a 1-year cover and responsive customer support sweeten the deal. For anyone building a home gym on a budget, this bench delivers professional-grade features without the premium price tag. Conclusion: a reliable choice for any lifter. The FLYBIRD weight bench is a versatile, sturdy, and practical piece of equipment that elevates home workouts. Its robust construction, adjustable settings, and comfortable design make it a great fit for a wide range of exercises and users. While taller individuals might find the height restrictive, and some may notice minor wobbling over time, these issues are overshadowed by its overall quality and affordability. If you're in the market for a reliable, space-saving bench that won't break the bank, this is a solid choice. Check the video description box on their site for an extra discount and subscribe for more fitness inspiration.